this is part 2 to the big jump / tabletop. So we're going to be building this in the video. Alright, we're going to get to work. Also, stay tuned at the end. We're test jumping it. Hope no one crashes. Okay, now we're taking out the hill even more, and there was a rock and a stump like right next to the landing, so we're gonna have to get that out. And that rock was huge. You gotta wait and see how big it was.
Put it in my pocket and then...
Okay, update. We got the stump out, which I did, but the rock is like, it's not like, it looks really small, but it goes down so deep. It's horrible. But we really don't need to get it out, but we should. Like, we really should.
Yeah, it's in the way.
Yeah, it's in the way. All right, we're gonna get back to work. We're getting the rock. We got the rock out. Let's go.
With a massive crater.
Yeah, that's huge. Holy crap.
Oh, it's so heavy.
Bro, now look at the landing. So much more space. Okay, now we are filling in the hole where the rock was, so enjoy the time lapse. Okay, now we're taking the dirt out from the middle of the jump and putting it on the tabletop. I had this really good idea to put a retaining wall in, so I'm gonna cut some wood next. Alright, so now I'm getting another log and cutting it, so I'll set you guys up so you can watch.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah.
And it'll be like me, like, talking.
Alright, now cut 2 logs. Now we're gonna put it on the jump. Boom.
Vertical.
Okay, so now I'm packing the tabletop in just to make the retaining wall, like, harder. Okay, it's the next day. Now I'm getting dirt and putting it on the tabletop to finish it off, and then I'm gonna pack the retaining wall in just to make it hard again. So I hope you guys enjoy. Quick update. So there was a wildfire in Canada, and I can't really like see it on the camera, but like in person there's like, you can see a lot of smoke. So if you guys can see it, then that's from Canada. It's the wildfire smoke. It smells like styrofoam. It smells really bad, but I did look it up. I'm safe to go outside if I'm healthy. I guess I'm pretty healthy, I don't know. So I'm gonna get back to work. Make sure you watch till the end. I'm test jumping it. Hope I don't crash. So I'm almost finished with packing this tabletop in and putting dirt on it. Okay, just finished up, leveled this a little bit more, also packed this in, also packed the top in, the tabletop, also packed this in, the landing, then packed this retaining wall in just a little bit, and now I think it's ready to test ride. All right, I'm gonna test ride it. I hope you guys liked that video. This build was super fun, and test riding it, oh, it's so smooth. It's so smooth, and I really love this build. It looks so good. So that's it. I'm gonna end the video right now. Hope you like and subscribe. See ya.